Jonas here at Seaguar Components. I'm going to show you how to install your gear ring and bearings into your gear housing. I'm going to start off with your bearings. First one right here, going to get started. Keeping it more even. Make sure we're not denting anything up. I'll switch to a punch. You'll feel that down into place. We'll flip it over. Get our other one down in there nice and even. This one can be a little bit more tricky to get started. Just want to keep it even and not let it get too crooked. You will feel a much more solid impact on your punch when it's all the way down in place. Now we can get our gearing started. Basically, you're lining these grooves up, or these teeth up, with the grooves inside your gear housing. And you will be able to see this better once we get it further down. Once we line those up, I just like to get it started before we go to our press. Just kind of hold it in place and smack it on both sides. Be careful not to hit your teeth straight on. You can get this started pretty far. Now we can go to our press. We do have some specific tools that we use for pressing this down. To start, we do use a spare gear ring and just set it right on top there, nice and even. And after that, we're just working our way up to right here. Having a press with a nice gauge like this helps a lot with knowing when it's all the way down. You can really get a good feel when it's all the way down, and we can tell by our gauge that the pressure is really building up. Should be down all the way, and I'll show you. Come in here, you can see that your teeth are all the way down in those grooves. And if they are not lined up correctly, it'll be very obvious.